Welcome, this is my first video. Got these small game farm, and I figured I'd just show y'all all the birds I got right now. We're gonna start off in this front cage. This is all my hens that I got for breeding this year. Pullet pumpkin pullet back on the back. Got a gray hen right there, Sid hen, chocolate henny hen right there. That's a brown red. That one right there, that's a Kelso. That's a yellow red sweater. That's all the hens I got right now. That's just for breeding next year though. Pumpkin cock. He's about 2 years old. He's 3/4 pumpkin, 1/4 radio. Pretty nice bird. Minor blue stag. He's real friendly. Really pretty bird, y'all. These are some of my fly pen builds. They're 4x4 and they're 6 feet tall on both sides. It's real cold out there in Kentucky, y'all. Got snow and everything. Blueface, bull stag. He's probably about 12 months old. Sweater cock. Blue round head. He's a little bit skittish. He does have bumble foot. I'm probably gonna treat that next time. And we're in the building because this is where I keep all my bannies at. First little group of bannies. This is a Seabright hen, a Millie Flirt hen. This sister right there is about 5 years old. He's about 5 years old. He's half Millie Flirter and half Silver Duckling, OGB. Real nice. This is one of my OGB pairs. Brown red OGB and a brass back OGB. This hen, y'all, she's real friendly. Only OGB pair I got right now. I had about 3 OGB pairs, but they all get killed by dogs. So I'm gonna definitely breed some OGBs back though this year. This cage setup, it's real weird, but it's basically 2 small dog kennels put together. You just open both doors. You got a big cage for them. Guess that's it for today's video. See y'all in the next one. Bye.